said those 4 magic words, will you marry me? I just couldn't believe it.
I remember the look on your face. I thought you were gonna faint.
It feels like only yesterday.
I know. Where does the time go? Look at us now. Lovely house in the country.
Background noise, 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 background noise.
Could you not do that, please?
You said to make background noise.
Yeah, but don't actually say background noise. Just, like, talk normally.
Normal. Right, right.
Okay, let's go again. Here we go in 3, 2, 1, action!
Look at us now. Lovely house in the country.
3 lovely children. You know.
There was this lunatic in the subway and he just started stabbing people.
You're just an extra. You understand? You're like background scenery.
Scenery. Right, right.
So keep it low.
Like this. There was this lunatic in the subway and he just started...
Still too loud!
There was this lunatic in the subway and he just started...
Yeah, that's better. But can you not say the nut job thing?
What do I say?
Well, you're not supposed to be interesting. You're an extra.
I can't think of anything.
Anything. Just say anything.
Here, can I see the script? Maybe I can...
Look, just take that. All right? You got it now. 3, 2, 1, whatever, action!
It feels like only yesterday.
I know. Where does the time go? Look at us now. Lovely house in the country.
Lovely house in the country.
3 lovely children.
3 lovely children.
I've been thinking.
I've been thinking.
Maybe it's time for us to move
Maybe
somewhere.
it's time for us to move.
Get it! All right, just get up. And when you come back, just keep quiet. Sit there, shut up, and be quiet. Still recording. Action!
It feels like only yesterday.
I know. Where does the time go? But look at us now.